If you take a look at this channel, you'll notice it has gained over 100,000 subscribers, with some videos reaching millions of views. Similarly, another channel has over 50,000 subscribers, with several videos surpassing 700,000 views, particularly with long-form content. For instance, one video on this channel has over 705,000 views and a duration of 6 hours, indicating substantial earnings. Before we dive in, let's take a moment to highlight this tool is a favorite among creators of long-form videos and live streams. Thanks to this platform, you can easily create multiple short videos from a single long-form video. For example, let me show you how it works. I have a long video here that I want to turn into short clips. First, click on this option and select your video. The tool uses AI to suggest moments, providing a simple rating for each one. As you can see, this moment in the video has an 85 rating. You can either choose the suggested moments or create your own clip by clicking the Create Clip button on the right. Before you start, make sure to connect your YouTube or Twitch account. Once that's set up, select the part of the video you want, then click Edit Clip. Wait a few seconds, and boom. Now you can customize how your video looks. For example, I'll add my AI avatar at the top and place the screen at the bottom. You can also add stickers, hooks, and subtitles with various templates. After finalizing your edits, download the video by clicking the Share button. This tool works for any niche, so give it a try. Nexus clip link in the description. Now, let's estimate how much these two channels earn monthly. The first channel, for example, earns more than $5,000 per month using only AI-generated videos. Before diving into the details, let me explain. So today, guys, I'm going to help you create your channel from scratch and guide you all the way to publishing videos. Just keep in mind, this isn't an easy process. It requires sacrifices at the beginning, but trust me, it's worth it. Before we dive in, let me explain what we're going to create. We'll take inspiration from the concepts behind two successful channels and merge them to develop our unique idea and niche. For example, while scrolling through shorts today, I came across a video discussing the relationship between President Donald Trump and Elon Musk. That sparked an idea. We'll create a funny, imagined conversation between them, adding our own creative twist to make it engaging and entertaining. But before we jump into that, I need you guys to join our Telegram group. Also, please make sure to leave encouraging comments, whether positive or constructive, because I've noticed a drop in interaction lately. Your feedback really helps keep the community alive. Love you all! For those who won in the last competition, please make sure to contact me as soon as possible so we can start working together. Don't delay. I'm ready to get things moving. Now, to create videos like this, we'll follow 4 essential steps. 1. Generate the script. 2. Create the images and videos. 3. Generate the voiceover. 4. Edit everything together. Editing is the final and most crucial step, so stay tuned as I guide you through each part. First, we'll go to ChatGPT and ask it to craft a funny story. The narrative should be told entirely from the narrator's perspective, without the characters speaking directly. For example, we can request a humorous tale that brings together Donald Trump, the former president of the United States, and Elon Musk. Once ChatGPT provides the story, we'll review it. If we're not satisfied, we can ask it to rewrite it until it meets our expectations. You can also choose other well-known characters if you'd prefer, but I recommend sticking with globally recognized figures. Next, we'll ask ChatGPT to create prompts for generating images related to the story using AI tools. Once we have the prompts, the next step is to generate the voiceover. For this, we'll use 11 Labs AI. We'll select a voice from their options, paste the script we copied from ChatGPT, and hit Generate. After a short wait, we can download the voiceover file. After generating the voiceover, we move on to Leonardo AI for image creation. First, we click on the image generation option, and the interface will appear. Here we change the model to Phoenix style and adjust the image shape to a 9:16 aspect ratio. Next, we go back to ChatGPT, copy each prompt, paste it into the prompt box in Leonardo AI, and click the Generate button. To save time, while the first image is being generated, we can return to ChatGPT to copy the next prompt, and so on. Once all the images are ready, we download them. At this stage, you can either stick with just the images if that's all you need, or move on to creating videos. We'll use Runway ML. Select the Image to Video option, upload the images, and adjust the duration of each image from 5 seconds to 3 seconds. Then click Generate. To save time, you can add multiple images at once and repeat the same process for all of them. Now, let's move on. Head over to Pixabay and search for background music that suits your project. Before downloading, make sure to review the copyright information to avoid any issues. Before diving into the editing process, here's a quick tip. You can find an older video on the channel that demonstrates how to create a similar project, but with the real voice of the characters. The link to that video is in the description. Be sure to check it out.
Everybody is doing math the wrong way because all PF, you talk about X and YI, but nobody talk about U and I.
Damn, this one was nice.
Well, hear me out. Is your name Google? Because you have everything I'm searching for.
Oh, nice one, Trump.
Oh, that's a good riz.
It's time to edit the video using CapCut. Open CapCut and import everything you've generated and downloaded so far. Start by adding the voiceover script to the timeline. Next, add the videos and images one by one, aligning them with the script. Mix and match between videos and images as needed. Check that the video format is set to 9:16, and for each video, zoom in slightly to hide any watermarks. Now go to the Effects tab and add the vignette effect to all the videos. Feel free to experiment with other effects as well. Next, navigate to the Animation section. Select Combo, and assign animations to each video. For instance, you can use the zoom animation for the first video, bounce for the second, and so on. After adding animations, move to the Transitions section. Choose transitions that fit your style. For example, if you add a glare transition, search for a camera shutter sound effect in the music options. For transitions with movement, a whoosh sound effect works perfectly. Now let's add captions. Go to the Text tab and choose the Auto Caption option. Ensure the language matches your voiceover, then click Create. Wait for the captions to generate, then select a template that fits your style. Customize the font, style, and color of the text. I recommend adding a black glow to make the text pop. Adjust the subtitles to align perfectly in the center of the video. Finally, add your background music, trim it to match the length of the video, and lower its volume so it doesn't overpower the narrator's voice. Once everything is set, export your video and enjoy the final product. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you all. Bye-bye.
Elon Musk and Donald Trump found themselves on Mars, stepping out of the SpaceX rocket with very different agendas. Elon, in his sleek suit, was eager to terraform the planet with Tesla tech, but Trump, adjusting his iconic red tie, had other plans. "Mars is rusty," he declared. "Bad look, needs gold. Gold Mars, everyone will love it." Elon sighed, trying to explain iron oxide, but Trump dismissed it as fake news and suggested a golf course instead. When a tremor shook the ground, Trump claimed, "Mars is trembling because it knows I'm here. Let's make it flat. I'll sign an executive order." Elon, staring at him, muttered, "I should have brought Bezos." And so Mars stayed round while their egos shot into orbit.